In Aspen just 1 year ago, a gold last night. Let's see if the streak continues.
And Alyssa was telling us she is speaking with the riders, and some of the legs were sore. I don't understand how. I mean, it doesn't look like last night would have taken a toll on your legs, but let's see if Max can hold together. And throughout this whole week, he's just looked so comfortable. He's got that kind of Canadian, yep, I'm here to play. And a nice double backside rodeo, now coming in switch, his unnatural way. Oh, beautiful.
Very
calf double cork 1080. What's he got for us on the money booter? Oh, yeah.
Yes.
You may have seen me just do that last night. I got that too on the jumps. That is the backside.